Hello everyone, and today I'll be eating sausage. Let's just get straight into it. Make sure it's still filming. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, let's get straight into it. Sausage. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Alright. And water in my Popeye's cup. Can't forget the Popeye's cup. I'll do a street fighting tip later in my next video, because I'm planning on filming 2 videos today. If that's okay. Let me know what food you want me to do next. Alright. And also, what street fighting tip you want me to do in the next video? Which is going to be after I eat this. Alright. Let me know if you want to do any spicy foods, because I love spicy food. I just don't know what you guys are into. Yeah. I don't like sausage that much, though. I know I said it was good, but I just eat it to make my grandma happy. I don't like sausage. Anyway, I'm just gonna get that out the way. Well, I guess we could just sit here and talk.